Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix vanilla gift card not working on PayPal. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your browser. You can do this step by simply going to your PayPal app and opening it up, because for that matter you should be easily be able to use your vanilla gift card on your PayPal. But in case if you're encountering the problem, the only way for you to solve it is simply going to your PayPal website or PayPal app on your phone, get logged in and go to the help center or the contact center, so you can directly contact them and write down your queries to them, right? And then they will let you know what they can do and will actually help you to retrieve the to solve the problem. But I will personally suggest you to directly go to the contact us option, and by going over there, simply go ahead and ask the community if you can find the common problem, or you can tap on the callers and then you will be able to contact them, and with the number will be provided at the bottom. Once you have logged in as well, then you can contact them and you can just let them know that vanilla gift card is not being accessible. Is there anything wrong with it? And if this also doesn't work out, then all you gotta do is simply access your my vanilla on your app, right? Get signed in, or simply go ahead contact their help center as well and let them know this vanilla gift card is not working. Please check on it. Is it expired, or is it everything something is wrong with it? And that is the only way to solve it. There is no particular way that you can do it on your own. You have to get help. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.